everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to go live on Likee. So first of all, launch open Likee application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Likee application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. If you want to go live, tap on the plus icon that you can see at bottom. Now you can see over here you'll be able to upload the videos, photos, etc. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find the options for live, video, etc. Tap on this option live that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to go live. You can adjust few settings if you want. You can change the cover photo. Tap on the cover photo that is selected right now. Now you can take the photo or you can also upload the photo according to your choice. Likewise, you'll also be able to enter the caption. For that, what you have to do is tap on this field that you can see on this interface. Now type in your caption over here. Like this, you'll also be able to enter the caption if you want. Now after you're done, if you want to change the viewer permission, you'll be able to find this option for viewer permission. From here, you'll be able to access two options. At first, you'll be able to find this option for private story. If you toggle this option on, only those who you invite will be able to see your live. Also, you can decide who can comment and live chat. For that, tap on this option who can comment and live chat. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to adjust the settings. You can also find other options over here. You can use the beautify feature if you want. If you tap on it, you can see various filters over here. Tap on the filter of your choice and it will be applied. Likewise, you'll be able to apply the makeup and beautification if you want. You can also add the stickers. For that, tap on the option stickers. Simply tap on the sticker that you would like to apply. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular sticker will be applied. At bottom, you'll be able to find the options for solo, multi-guest, audio room, etc. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now, if you want to go live, what you have to do is tap on this option, go live, that you can see on the screen. For going live, you need to be the official liker or you need to meet the basic requirements like the legal age for going live. Also, you need to have certain number of followers and some short videos created in your account. For more details, you can tap on this option, view details. Now you'll be able to see all the requirements in this interface. Read these informations very carefully and simply fulfill all the requirements. After you do that, you'll be able to go live. If you already have fulfilled the requirement, you'll successfully be live and people will be able to see your live. So like this, you'll be able to go live. So that is how you go live on Likee. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.